First line, please type an original and a duplicate copy of this lease for Mr. Skinner, full stop. Second line, I expect to fly to North Bay tomorrow, comma, and I shall be glad if you will meet me on my arrival to tell me everything that is necessary about the case, full stop. Third line, I regret that I am unable to deliver the goods to you sooner, comma, nor is it possible to say at present when they can be delivered, full stop. Fourth line, are you sure that the enclosures were put in the envelope, question mark? Yes, comma, I put them in personally, full stop. Fifth line, either we shall have to take more space in some other building, comma, or we shall have to take over an entire floor in this building, full stop. Sixth line, personally, I believe that it would be better to lease a large floor in some other building, full stop. Of course, comma, I shall do nothing without your final approval, full stop.